Max presents AHS 1984.
Good morning! Happy Thursday. It's been a little minute since I vlogged, and today I'm doing something a little bit different from my normal weekly routine, so I thought perfect time to vlog. So my boss's sister is actually doing a fashion show today. I don't really know all the details. I know that she works for Calvin Klein. I don't think it's like a real legit fashion show. I'm pretty sure it's just something that they do for fun like once a year. Clearly I know nothing about what's going on. All I know is that my boss closed the salon today and we're doing the hair and makeup for my boss's sister's model. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So I was assigned to do makeup. So right now I am just trying to get my kit organized. I really don't do makeup very often, and especially lately, I'm not as interested in doing it really. Like, I love doing it on myself, but I'm not as interested in doing it for events. And it's one of those things where, like, in order to keep your kit up to date and make sure that you don't have any like old expired makeup, you gotta be doing it regularly because it's expensive otherwise. So yeah, I'll just do like little gigs here and there if it's like for someone that I know. So anyway, I want to go through my kit, make sure that I have everything that I need and that everything is like clean and ready to go. So this is what my kit looks like. I actually got this little suitcase thing in beauty school. So in here I have foundations, and I have like a whole random mix of ones, so that's pretty good. I don't really need to do anything to that. I have these NYX cream eyeshadows. These are really nice to use as like an eyeshadow base to really make whatever color you're trying to do pop. These are little like tapes basically to put on the eyes if you're trying to have like a nice wing or just like a nice crisp line for your eyeshadow. I have some glitters in here, some NYX loose glitters, and then some of the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadows. Let's see, in here I have setting sprays and setting powders, so that's good. I have some concealers and like creams for contouring in here. I have this spray bottle with alcohol, which is actually empty, so I need to refill that. This is all of my powder, contours, blush, and highlights in here. That looks good. And then in here I have lip and brow products. I have just a whole mixture of a bunch of different stuff. I don't just use like one particular brand, and I like to keep nudes, reds, and then dark like vampy colors. And then from there I can pretty much like mix and match and make like whatever kind of color I need. And then in here's all my brushes. So let me make sure I have everything that I need here. I have face and eye brushes, as well as my tools, my little palette and spatula for mixing, tweezers, mascara wands, Q-tips, eyelash curler, a little mirror, a pencil sharpener, this little like extra mixing tray, some sponges, and then in this last little pouch I have all of my eye products. So I have some mascara, some eyeliners, stuff like that, some lashes, I have some individual like clusters, as well as some strip lashes. Yeah, I think that's good. Actually, I'll put these little individual shadows in there too, keep everything together. All right, so that looks pretty good. All I need to do is refill my alcohol. I'm gonna grab a towel and throw in there. I like to have a towel on me so that I can like wipe off my brushes as I'm working and just have somewhere to like lay everything out on. And I'm gonna throw some makeup wipes in here as well. Okay, refilled my alcohol bottle, got a towel, some makeup wipes. I'm good to go. That was a lot easier than I was anticipating. I'm so happy those brushes were clean. So I'm meeting my boss at the salon where I work, and then we are driving to wherever this fashion show is gonna be together. This is why I don't know any of the details. All I know is I'm going, I'm doing makeup. But before I do that, I'm making a quick stop to Cosmoprof, which, for those of you who don't know, Cosmoprof is like, it's just a beauty supply store basically, but it's for licensed professionals only. So you have to be like a licensed cosmetologist or esthetician in order to shop there. I really desperately need shampoo. I like completely ran out of all of my hair products all at the same time this week. So I need to get shampoo and conditioner, I need dry shampoo, and I need a heat protectant. I think that's it. And every time I buy a bottle of shampoo for myself, I like to just try something different. I feel like your hair just gets used to the products that you use and they just don't work as effectively after a while. So it's always good to switch it up, and I like to try out different brands just so I can like get a little bit of experience with multiple different kinds of products, you know? Right, let's do a quick little haul. I'm so excited. I love buying new hair products. So I got the Biolage Raw Color Care shampoo and conditioner. I was actually looking at all their stuff. I do like Biolage. I've used some of their shampoos and conditioners in the past. And this particular Raw Color Care line, we used to have a bottle of like a post-color treatment, like pH balance kind of thing. I forget exactly what it was called, but we used to have that at the salon and I loved the smell of it. Oh my god, it made the hair feel so good. So I saw the shampoo and conditioner from that same exact line, so I was like, okay, let me try that, because if this smells like the product at the salon, let's see. Yep. Oh, it smells so good. So I was gonna get this, and then I saw that they actually had it in a 2-pack on sale for 20 bucks. So not bad. And I decided to just get the small bottles just so I could change it up, because those giant liter bottles last me like literally a whole year. And then I decided to get the Biolage thermal spray as well, the thermal active spray. And then for the dry shampoo, I got the Paul Mitchell Neon Sugar Dry Cleanse. This actually we use at the salon. It just smells amazing and it gives so much like nice texture to the hair. And then I decided I really need another wet brush. The one that I have at home for myself is like completely just disgusting and it has like missing bristles. It's a hot mess. And I saw this Fraymar one that is marble and literally so beautiful. So yeah, that's the stuff that I got. So now I am gonna go to Starbucks and get myself a coffee and then head over to the salon and we'll be on our way. I just got home from the fashion show. It's a little after 9 o'clock, so it's been a pretty long day. I'm very tired, but it was so much fun. Honestly, I'm still not even 100% sure. Like, everyone was explaining to me what the whole, like, premise of the show was. I guess it's just a thing that they do every year for fun, and there's different themes, and I guess there's different vendors that sell different types of materials. All of the different designers, competitors, get paired with different vendors, like kind of at random, and then you have to use the materials that that vendor sells to create your outfit. And then I guess each year they pick like a different theme, and then the designers can get kind of creative from there and like do their own thing. It's just like so awesome to just be in a giant room filled with a whole bunch of other artists, and everybody's just creating. The designers are putting together the final touches of their outfits, the hair and makeup people are there doing their jobs, and then after we were done with that, we got to go. They had, like, before the show, an open bar and like a whole buffet of food and a photo booth, and it was just like a fun little party. So we didn't end up staying for the show itself because that didn't start till later, and where the show was is 2 hours away from where we live. So by the time the show would have been over, we wouldn't have gotten home till like after midnight. So, and we have work tomorrow, obviously. That's gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and got to see a little like day in the life behind the scenes. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more vlogs, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.